When you apply your skincare products the wrong way, you are not going to achieve that flawless glowing skin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about step-by-step skincare routine for beginners. So if you're a beginner or you want to know in what order to use your skincare product, then you want to keep on watching, because I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step skincare routine for beginners. How to apply or layer your skincare products in the right order. What skincare products should be used first, and skincare products or ingredients that shouldn't be used together. So I made a video on some affordable skincare products for beginners, where I showed you guys some budget friendly skincare products that you can use if you're starting out with your skincare. So a lot of you were requesting I make a video to show you guys a step-by-step skincare routine that will actually help you know how to use those products. So this is more like a continuation video of that particular video to show you guys how to use those products. So if you've not seen that particular video, you might want to check it out. So I'm going to link the video up here and also in the description box so that you can check that out. So it's actually important to know how to layer your skincare products, because when you apply your skincare products the wrong way, you are not going to achieve the results that you want with your skin. So you really need to learn how to layer your skincare if you really want to achieve that flawless glowing skin. So I've actually gone ahead to break this down into a face and body skincare routine, so that you'll be able to understand what to put on your face and on your body, and also how to use your skincare products in the morning and at night. And that's simply your face care routine and your body skincare routine. So first of all, we are going to be talking about body care routine, and that is how to apply your skincare products on your body. So when it comes to your body step-by-step skincare routine, the first step you need to take if you really want to achieve that glowing, healthy looking skin is to cleanse your skin. So the first step in your body skincare routine is cleansing. When I talk about cleansing, I mean using your bathing soap, your water, your bathing sponge to wash off all the dirt and oils on your skin. So this particular step needs to be done in your shower or your bathroom. So you need to wash your body gently, starting from your neck down to your toe. You need to scrub your body properly if you want to have that healthy glowing skin. You just have to take your time and scrub your body with your exfoliating gloves and any soap of your choice. Okay, so yeah, so the second step in your body care routine is to moisturize. Now this is when you need to apply your body lotion in order to lock in all the moisture you've lost while cleansing your skin. So moisturizing your skin will help to hydrate your skin and lock in back moisture. So the essence of using a body lotion in your skincare routine is to make your skin feel hydrated and moisturized. So if your body lotion is not giving you that hydration and moisture, you're going to feel extremely dry. So you need a body lotion in your skincare routine if you want to have that healthy glowing skin. So using a body lotion in your skincare routine will prevent your body from getting dry after having your shower. So in the previous video, I mentioned some good body lotions that you can actually use to moisturize and hydrate your skin. So when applying your body lotion, you want to make sure you are applying your body lotion immediately you come out from the shower, when your skin is still wet or damp. That way your body lotion will be able to penetrate deeply into your skin. So you want to apply your body lotion when your skin is still a bit damp or wet. Don't allow your skin to dry out. You need to apply your body lotion immediately after shower. So the third step in your body care skincare routine is body oil. Like after you must have applied your body lotion or moisturize, the next step you need to take is to apply your body oil. What this body oil does is to moisturize your skin and at the same time make your skin look healthy and even. So if you want to have that healthy, even blended skin tone, that's where body oil comes in, to give your skin that nourishment and moisture it might have lost while you took your shower. So body oil is one skincare product you need in your skincare routine because it's going to help maintain and give your skin that healthy glow effect. Like your skin is going to be shining. Like if you're someone battling with uneven skin tone or you have a damaged skin, then you need to start choosing a body oil because it's going to help blend out your skin and give you that even glowy effect on the skin. So some people actually prefer using a body oil over a body lotion. But if you want to achieve that healthy, even blended, glowing skin tone, just pair the two together. Like apply your body lotion and then go ahead to apply your body oil. Like the result you're going to get from that is mind-blowing. So these are the three main steps you need to take when it comes to your body skincare routine, and that is cleansing, moisturize, and apply your body oil. Like these steps, you need to do them every day, that is in the morning and at night. So another step that can also be included in your body care routine is exfoliating your skin. I actually have a video on how to properly exfoliate your skin, so I'll link the video up here and also in the description box so that you can check that out. So when it comes to exfoliating your body, you want to exfoliate your body once or twice a week. And when exfoliating your body, you need to use your body scrub and your exfoliating gloves to exfoliate your body right in the shower. Immediately after you must have cleansed your body in the shower, you need to go ahead and apply your exfoliating scrub. Like I recommended some affordable body scrubs, and I also have a video on some good scrub that you can use on your skin. So I'll equally link the video up here and in the description box. You can also check that out. Exfoliation is one way to get rid of all those dead skin cells that is causing your skin to look dull. So you need to properly exfoliate your skin, but you don't have to do that every day. So yeah, let's take a look at what your step-by-step skincare routine for face should look like. So when it comes to your face care routine, the first step is to cleanse. So when it comes to cleansing your face, you need to use a gentle cleanser that is suitable for your skin type. I have a video on some best cleansers that you can use for your face. So I'll link the video up here also and also in the description box for you to check it out. So actually, I'll never advise you to use your body soaps or bar soaps on your face, except for the ones that are moisturizing, like I mentioned in my affordable skincare products video. So the skin on your face is more delicate compared to the skin on your body. So that is why you need a face cleanser that will help to cleanse, hydrate, and suit the skin on your face. Like there are various cleansers for different skin types. If you're someone with an oily or acne prone skin, you can opt in for a gel based cleanser. Or if you have a combination skin or oily skin type, you can use a foaming cleanser. And if you're someone with sensitive skin or dry skin, you can basically use a cream based cleanser. And micellar water is another form of cleanser that is suitable for all skin types. And one good thing about using micellar water as a cleanser is the fact that you don't need to rinse it off after applying it on your skin. So cleansing your face is the first step you need to take and you need to cleanse your face both in the morning and at night. So when it comes to cleansing your face, you don't need to use an exfoliating glove to cleanse your face on a daily basis. You want to use your hand, like your fingers, to wash your face properly. So after cleansing your face, the next step you should take in your face care routine is to apply your toner. Like, this particular step is optional and majorly for those with oily or acne prone skin type. Like, if you're someone battling with oily or acne prone skin type, you can basically get a toner, and you should look for toners that contain active ingredients like salicylic acid and glycolic acid, depending on your skin type. But if you're someone that doesn't have any skin issues, like you just want to use a toner, then you should go for natural toners like your rose water or the Boots traditional toner like I mentioned in the other video. So what this natural toners does is to help prep your skin and get it ready for other skincare ingredients to be able to deeply penetrate into your skin. So the third step in your face skincare routine, like after you must have applied your toner, the next step is to apply your serum. So like I mentioned in that previous video, I recommended using the vitamin C serum. So vitamin C serum is a water-based serum, so you can go ahead to apply it immediately after toning your face. It will help to brighten up your face, boost hydration on your skin, and get rid of any form of aging signs on your skin like fine lines and wrinkles. So that is one benefit you get from applying a serum on your skin. So your vitamin C serum mostly should be used in the daytime. So it's a very nice serum to incorporate into your skincare routine. It will help to brighten up your face and give you that glowy effect on the face. So after you must have applied your vitamin C serum or any other serum of your choice, the next step is to moisturize your face or apply your face cream. So what your face cream does is to help seal in all the moisture and protect your face. Like, your face cream is one way to boost moisture in your face, and regardless of your skin type, you need a face moisturizer if you want to have that clear and glowing skin. So the fifth or final step in your face care step-by-step skincare routine for beginners is using a sunscreen. Even if you don't like using any other face product on your face, immediately you're done washing your face, applying your moisturizer, you can go ahead to apply your sunscreen. Applying sunscreen on your face will help to protect your skin from any form of sun damage like sunburn, facial wrinkles, dark spots, and the rest. So you need a sunscreen in your skincare routine if you want to have that healthy glowing face. So when looking for a sunscreen, you want to use sunscreen that have at least SPF 30 and above in order to be able to protect your skin from the sun. I also have a video on some best sunscreen you can use on your face. So these are the major steps you need to take when it comes to your face care routine, and that is to cleanse, tone, apply your serum, go in with your face cream, and then top up with your sunscreen. But at night you need to remove your sunscreen. Like, these are the simple steps you need to take if you want to have that glowing skin. So I hope this step-by-step skincare routine for beginners was helpful. If you actually enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.